Alright, so let's try this again now that I've shoveled. Sorry if you can't hear me. I'm got a mask on. So, anyways. Also, this is a little bit deceiving, considering the fact that I shoveled this pathway right here twice last night. So, I mean, it's hard to understate. If you've been to my house, you know how there's 3 stairs from here down to the yard. The yard's probably about 2.5 feet lower than me right here, and I've got those bushes. This snow on that bush right there is probably chest high, would be my guess. It's pretty insane. I don't know how well you can see. I can't really step off here because there's nothing. I guess I can walk on the snow. See that line right there? That is insane. That line's probably 4 feet tall. That's the biggest one, I think. It's probably, because that's on a downslope, it's probably a 5-foot high snowdrift right there. You can hear one crazy person out there, I guess, doing their friggin' driveway. I don't know why you'd be doing your driveway, but doing their driveway with a snowblower. But this is insane stuff, guys. Crazy. Crazy. So you can see where the wind blew and completely blew all snow. There's no snow on that section of the deck right there at all. You can see the ice from where we had previous snow. But so hard the wind was blowing. I think they said gale force winds last night, which were maybe is that 65 miles an hour or greater? I don't. But and I guess this is it's still snowing, and it's not lightly snowing. It is snowing hard. It's not the wind like we had last night. Last night was an insane wind, but nevertheless, it's still snowing, clearly. I don't know how long it's supposed to last. I think initially the blizzard warning was until 3 p.m. tonight, or this afternoon, so it's about 7 o'clock this morning right now. So if there's no way it can do this until 3 p.m., I don't think, but if it does, oof, I'll be back out here reshoveling the same exact thing again. I'll take some more pictures or video later, maybe once it quits doing all this crap and I quit freezing.